what actually happen is when an oxide dissolve in water, it is no longer an oxide because it will react with water and forms hydroxide. The real equation should be hydroxide thing. So what is hydroxide? Think about hydroxide is none other than metal OH, right? No oxygen oxide can sustain as oxide in an aqueous medium, so it becomes hydroxide. Now what happens? Think about metal hydroxide reacts with this thing, AQ and AQ. So what happens now? It's very easy. So this metal goes up with thing, metal salt Q plus H2O. Think about normal stuff. Again HCl thing plus Mg. In this case is OH twice. So what happens now? The same case, MgCl2, those have to be 2Cl, then 2Cl balanced. So there are 2 water, OH minus and 2 H pluses. So this will make what? 2H. So no need to balance that. MgCl2 and 2H2O molecules. This is very simple. Another one. This can react with carbonate. What is a carbonate? It's a metal carbonate. Any metal can go off with certain carbonate thing. And same case like HA gonna be added. Now what happens? This become what? Salt, metal salt plus. Okay, now it's different phenomena. In the earlier cases, hydrogen joins with something and that's all. For this case, there is a dissociation happens here. So according to this dissociation, it will release carbon dioxide gas plus the same thing H2O. This is what gonna be happen. Really easy to remember. This middle part, that means CO2 will be released. So once CO2 released, this becomes metal oxide, no? Once CO2 released, think about that. CO3 means carbon and 3 oxygen. Now 1 carbon and 2 oxygen has gone, then only metal here and 1 oxygen here. It becomes a metal oxide. That's why I explained you about metal oxide reaction earlier, before metal hydroxide thing. Now, have a very good look at. Think about calcium carbonate and H2SO4. I'm now taking this one because I have taken HCl again and again. Otherwise, you will be just thinking, oh, it will only be happening with HCl. No, that's not true. It will happen with any acid. That's why I'm taking this one as well. And calcium carbonate. What would happen? So as always, this metal part go up with acid's negative part. What is this one? Calcium is 2 plus normally, and this one is 2 minus. So charges are balanced. This is actually year 10 thing. I don't know whether can you remember or not. This becomes calcium sulfate AQ, and really easy. You know this one. Now it will release carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas, and finally it will make water. So think about balancing this. H2, yes, and sulfate, and calcium. There's one calcium. And think about carbon. Carbon is balanced. Number of oxygen atoms are here. It's also being balanced. Now everything is balanced in this equation. No need to put any number in front or after that. Think about sodium carbonate. HCl react with sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. Now what should happen? The same case. NaCl. There were 2 Na, then there should be 2 Cl. Cl. Then how about this one? 1 carbon dioxide will be released. H2O. Now I have to think about whether hydrogen atoms are balanced or not. Then there are 2 hydrogens are there. Then 1 carbon, and 3 oxygen, 2 from here and 1 from here is balanced. Okay. These are the reactions of an acid. What are the importance of an acid? It's very important. Why? Think about chemical importance of nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. They are very useful. We can use them in that way, and even in making car batteries, accumulators. So acids are really useful thing. We can use it in wrong way as well. And you'll better read and write those properties in your writing book or in just a paper or somewhere. There are some usages and properties of an acid. Those are in your textbook, page number 193. You may read and write those things and study those things. I'll provide the related worksheet after this video. You may try to read the study book and my study materials and try to complete all the answers as possible in the study paper. Now I'm just gonna forward you the study paper on that, and base part will be discussed later. Firstly, study the acid part. Okay, good luck.